Hello, my name is Bernie Sanders, and I'm a United States Senator from Vermont. I am running for the President of America. For my entire political career, I have worked to build an American economy that benefits everybody and not just a handful of billionaires. I am also in a fucked up noise band. We are called Frog Piss. Frog Piss is real, shitty, noxious, annoying, terrible garbage. We are dirty motherfuckers. Nobody likes us. We don't like nobody. That's how we like it. We also like having a strong middle class, which is the heart of our great nation. Much like our regretful involvement in Syria and Iraq, it is a huge disappointment to everybody who comes to our shows. We will be playing the Montpelier Action Center and HIV Testing Clinic November 23rd. So come on out and get punched in the goddamn nuts. This campaign is about starting a political revolution. And this fucked up noise band is about making your ears bleed human sweat and bile. My name is Bernie Sanders, and I would be honored to have your vote.
Fuck you!